your lunch. Guys, I'm audible. Okay, guys, let's start. Okay, guys, see here. So Thursday, second hour, I think, and Thursday afternoon, Friday, third hour and fourth hour. We have seen if and if else, the theory as well as some three basic example programs. Is it on clear? If it is clear, reply if else. Reply if else if it is clear. Guys, if you people are clear, in if maximum how many statements we can execute, or we can get the result of how many statements? One, two, or more. In if
Single, sir.
others,
One.
in if else, in
Two,
if
sir.
in if else. We had seen the examples for if else like eligible for voting, whether a given number is even or odd, and result also. If your result is first class or second class, we have seen those things, right? Are you people clear with that one? Once again, reply clear if you are clear with if else. Okay, guys. Next we shall see, guys. If you want to execute more than two statements, guys. So if else or if is not going to work. If else and if is not going to work, if we are executing more than two statements. So what we need to do is we need to go for nested if else. Nested if else. I repeat once again. Nested if else. So nested if else go like in an if statement, we are going to insert one more if. If else means what we are going to do is here. I will show with an example. If statement will be there, right? So Nested if means, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
Reply, is the statement visible?
Yes, sir.
Right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
This is, yes, ma'am. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
See here, if means we have this one. If condition. Okay. Even condition. It may be checking condition. It may be checking whether a given number is even or odd, or checking whether eligible to vote or not, whether the marks scored are in first class or second class, or anything. So this is if. So else means it will be statement else statement. So this is if else for you. Earlier, this is if statement for you. If condition statement. So next will be if else. If this statement is true, this will be executed. If this statement will be true, this will be executed. If this statement will be true, this will be executed. So among the statements, it may be the first statement or it may be the second statement. Based on the truth or falsity of that condition, that will be executed, guys. So now, see here. Now, if statement, what happens is we can execute only one statement. In if else, what we can do is we can execute two statements. Either condition one, either statement one or statement two. We can execute these two things. Now, if there is anything like addition of two, Irapa, I want to find the largest of three numbers. Will this work? Will this syntax work? If I want to find the largest of three numbers, respond. Will this syntax work to find largest of three numbers? Irapa. Will this syntax work to find largest of two numbers? Will this syntax
Yes,
work
sir.
for largest of two numbers?
Yes, sir.
Reply yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Reply through chat box. Let me check. Now in the same syntax, I repeat once again, in the same syntax, can I execute three statements? Can I find the result of three statements? In the same syntax, can I find the result of three statements? That's my question.
No, sir.
No is the answer. Good. So for that type of cases, now if there is a program like to find the largest of three numbers, we cannot use if or if else, guys. We need to go for nested if else. So nested if else is in if we are going to include one more if. If that condition is true, that is going to execute. If that is not true, we are going to come to the next statement inside if. Or if else, there will be if else, right? Inside if else, we are going to insert one more if else or if. That is nothing but your nested if else. Go through this one, nested if else. The nested if else. An if or if else statement enclosed within another. An if or if else statement enclosed within An if or if else statement enclosed within one another. Within another if or if else statement is called as nested if else statement. So the nested if else will be used when an action has to be performed based on many conditions, like to check whether A is greater, B is greater, or C is greater. So here what we are going to do is we are going to enclose the keyword if and else must be followed by an expression. The keyword if and else must be followed by an expression, and the expression must be enclosed within parentheses. If you go through the syntax, you will understand, guys. If you go through the syntax, you go through this explanation. It is similar to if and if else only. Nothing much difference is there. Only syntax is different. Once you go through the example of finding the greatest of three numbers, you will understand better. So let us see the syntax and flow chart. First, we are going to check condition 1. First, we are going to see, guys. First, we are going to check for condition 1. Means like if A is greater than B. And next, we are going to check for another condition. If B is greater than C. Else, we are going to go for block 3. Let's see program to find the biggest of three numbers. One second, guys. ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂಬರೀಷ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Yes, guys, sorry. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. One second, guys. Guys, do you people know any other online compiler apart from this GDB compiler? Guys, respond. Guys, do you people know any other online compiler? Respond.
No, sir.
Okay, yes. The same program. There was some issues with the compiler. Let me check. See here. 23, 57, and 9. Now, which is the greatest number, guys? Which is the largest number here? Among these three numbers, which is the largest number? Everyone respond.
57, sir.
Guys, everyone reply hi. Yes, okay. See here, I told you people the definition. See guys, in if we can execute only one statement. In if we can execute only one statement. In if else, we can execute two statements. If we want to execute more than two statements, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to go for nested if else. Nested if else under there is nothing difference, or it's not a new thing. In one if, we are going to add one more if. In one if else, we are going to add one more if else. See here, this is the normal syntax of if else. I will remove this one. Control X. See here, is the screen visible? Someone reply.
Yes, sir. Visible.
See here, this is your if. It is going to execute only one statement. If I want to execute more than one statement, what I'm supposed to go is I'm supposed to go to if else. In if else, what it is going to do is it is going to check a condition. If A is greater than B, or A modulus 2 is equal to 0, or A modulus 2 not equal to 0, it is going to check the condition. If this condition is true, first statement will be executed. Else, the second statement will be executed. Now, if I have more than three statements, guys, I want to check whether the three numbers A, B, A, B, C. Among these three numbers, okay, if it is only A and B, I can use this condition. If else condition I can use. If there is C, now the question arises. What we need to do is we need to go for if.
Sir, you are muted.
Okay, man, no problem. I'll start once again. See, guys. Now am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See here, guys. In normal if statement, what happens is we can execute only one statement. If I want to execute more than one statements, if is not going to work. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to go for if else. I'm supposed to go for if else. So in if else, what happens is it is going to check the condition whether A is greater than B, whether B is greater than A, or whether A is divisible by 2, or if A is not divisible by 2, it is going to check the condition. If this statement is true, it is going to print the first statement. If it is not true, it is going to print the second statement. Now the question is, if there is a third statement, what to do? The if else is not going to work. The if else is going to work only for these two statements, guys. Whether the conditions, when the statements are either 1 or 2, the if else is going to work. Now, if there is a third statement, will this going to work? If else, reply yes or no through voice. If there is a third statement, will if else work for us? Someone reply.
No,
Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sorry guys, something is happening with my laptop, I think. See guys, if there is only one statement, this condition is going to work. If there are two statements, this is going to work. Else, statement 2. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
See guys, sorry if there is some technical issue going on. See guys, if one condition, if I want to check if is enough. If there are two statements, if else is enough. If I want to check a condition here, if A is greater than B, A is less than B, or A is divisible by 2 or anything, I want to check a condition and I'm going to execute that one, and I'm going to execute the first statement or second statement I'm going to print. If there is a third statement, will this normal if else work? That's my question. Reply yes or no. If there is a third statement, will if else work?
No, sir.
Reply through chat, everyone.
No, sir.
So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to go for another type of if else. So in that one, what we are going to do is we are going to go for a thing called as nested if else, guys. We are going to go for a thing called as nested if else. So nested if else andre if inside if or if else inside if else. The syntax is this one. See here, there is one if condition. Inside one if condition, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more if else. Go through this one. In what one if condition, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more if else condition. I'm not muted. Nested if else syntax. No guys, okay. So this one also. See here if condition. Inside if we have one more if condition. See here if condition else statement true. So in the place of statement 1, what we are having is we are having one more if condition. You go through this syntax. I will give you 1 minute time. Let's not be in a hurry. You go through this syntax and you go through this syntax also, guys. Did you people understand nested if else? If you have understood, reply NS, NIF, NIS. Nested if else andre one if inside one if, or one if else inside one if else. That's it. So let us see a sample program how the nested if else is going to work. Let us see. I'll compile it once again. Enter three numbers, guys. 98, 1. Is the screen visible and am I audible? Reply yes if I am audible and screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So okay, see here, and let me take 9976. Now, according to you people, which is the which is the greatest number? Which should be the largest number?
976.
976 is the largest number. Did you people got the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. I'll take one more example, guys. Minus 98. Minus 99. Minus 76. Here, which is the largest number? Minus 98 to 99 matte 79 minus 76. So, which is the largest number there? Here, which is the largest number, guys?
Minus 76.
100% correct, Amma. Minus 76 is the largest number. Did you people get the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, everyone respond. In this program, this line is called as. I have highlighted.
Preprocessor directive.
Preprocessor director. Directive.
Okay. Any program execution starts from?
Means.
Main.
Everyone. Nanu ಒಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Everyone. Everyone.
Hence, sir.
So this is called as.
Declaration part. Local declaration part.
Declaration part.
What is this int called as?
Data type.
Data type.
Database.
Data types.
Data type.
ABC are called as.
Variables.
Variable.
People agree.
Variables.
So now this printf is used for. What is the role of printf?
Output statement.
Output statement.
What is the role of scanf?
Input statement.
Input state.
Why I have used percentage D? Why not percentage A? Why not percentage B? Why not percentage C?
Because it is
integers.
It was declared integer, sir.
Integers, sir.
These are called as what? Percentage D is called as what? Yeah, percentage D, percentage F, percentage S. It is called as what?
format specifier.
Super. It is called as. Others join.
Format specifier.
Format specifier, sir.
Format. Those things you should remember, guys. Okay. So see here. What is the structure of nested if syntax? See here, if condition. If condition. We are not going to print anything, guys. After the first if condition, we are not going to print anything. If you want to go through this one also. After the first if condition, we are not printing anything, guys. After the first if condition, what we are doing is we are checking the second condition. Okay. See here. After the first condition, we are not printing whether A is B or A is greater or B is greater. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to check one more thing. A is greater than C. Hey. Can anyone can anyone explain that program? Not program. What is happening here? See, guys, not really. It is going to check whether if A is greater than B. You know, if A is greater than B, if it is false, will this execute or it is going to execute this part or it is going to execute this part? Irrappa ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Control A, Control C. Working. Control A, Control B. Let me remove all these things. ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡೋಣ, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡೋಣ. I will minimize this one. Let it fit to the one page. Guys, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. Hey, see here. If this is false, I'm going to give some color to this one. Guys, if this is false, it is going to execute this one. Wait, I'm going to give color to this one. Here, I will give some more color. Okay, this is orange. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, blue. Okay. Hey guys, if A condition B is false, it is going to execute the lines of code which is in brown color or blue color.
Blue color, sir.
Others, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, take your time. Girls, if A is greater than or equal to B, if that is false, ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಾ?
Blue color.
ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, I think the strength is good only. 40 change 39. Okay, no problem. Guys, see here. If this A condition B is false, which is going to execute? Whether this one will be executed, whether this one which is in our brown color, whether it will be executed or which is in blue color will be executed. Reply brown or blue. Reply brown or blue, which will be executed. Respond in the chat only. Which will be executed? Brown or blue na? Others? So now, if this is true, which will be executed? If this is true, orange will be printed or blue will be printed? Sorry, brown will be printed or blue will be printed? If that is true, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? If A is greater than or equal to B, which will be printed? The brown color lines or the blue color lines? Others? I'm not happy guys today.